Application of HTD series column type bin mixer. This machine features automatic lifting, mixing, and lowering functions. Equipped with multiple mixing bins of different capacities, a single mixer can meet the requirements for blending various products in different batch sizes, making it an ideal total blending equipment for pharmaceutical manufacturers. It is also widely used in the pharmaceutical, chemical, and food industries. Operating principle of HTD series column type bin mixer. The machine consists of a vertical column, base frame, rotating fork support, drive system, braking system, and control system. The mixing bin is pushed into the rotating fork support and secured with a locking nut. Upon activation of the control system, the bin is automatically lifted to the designated mixing height and securely positioned. The drive system then automatically performs mixing according to preset parameters such as time and rotational speed. Once mixing is complete, the rotating fork support stops vertically, and the bin automatically descends to ground level. The entire machine then shuts down and prints out the process data. After loosening the locking nut on the rotating fork support, the bin can be moved to the next processing stage. Features of HTD series column type bin mixer: rational overall structure, stable performance, and user-friendly operation. No dead angles and no exposed screws. The rotating assembly, mixing bin, is inclined at a 30 degrees angle to the axis of rotation. During rotation, the material inside the bin not only tumbles with the rotating body but also moves tangentially along the bin wall, resulting in intense tumbling and high-speed tangential motion for optimal blending efficiency. Fully automated PLC control system, equipped with infrared safety sensors and an anti-misoperation interlock on the discharge valve to ensure operational safety. Material remains in the same container throughout different process stages, eliminating frequent transfers or refilling steps. Effectively controls dust generation and cross-contamination, minimizes material loss, prevents segregation, and optimizes the production process, fully compliant with GMP standards for pharmaceutical manufacturing.